don't waste this opportunity. Benar-benar pakailah kesempatan ini untuk belajar dengan sebaik-baiknya gitu. Last but not least, aku ingin berterima kasih ya untuk semua learning partners kita yang sudah membantu kita untuk make this program happen. Progate, Cakap, dan Replit. Terima kasih banyak karena tanpa kalian, tanpa semangat gotong royong, program ini tentunya tidak bisa menjadi kenyataan. So once again, selamat datang. Selamat menjalani program ini. I wish you all the best of luck. Dan aku percaya kalian semua yang ada di sini memiliki semangat generasi gigih. Terima kasih.
Peripherals are a generic name for any device external to a computer, but still normally associated with its extended functionality. The purpose of peripherals is to extend and enhance what a computer is capable of doing without modifying the core components of the system. A printer is a good example of a peripheral. It is connected to a computer, extends its functionality, but is not actually part of the core machine. Do not confuse computer peripherals with computer accessories. An accessory can be any device associated with a computer, such as a printer or a mousepad. A printer is a peripheral, but a mousepad is definitely not one. A mousepad does not extend the functionality of a computer, it only enhances the user experience.
Membuat kita menjadi sulit melakukan sesuatu atau kayak semacam obstacle kita dalam menghadapi sesuatu. Mungkin itu aja, Kak.
Oke, masalah adalah tantangan ya, Aldi. Oke, setuju. Masalah itu adalah tantangan. Jadi ketika kita mau mencapai dari satu realita atau current state kita menuju desired state, itu aja udah sebuah masalah. Tapi di tengah-tengah ketika kita mencoba menyelesaikan masalah itu, kemudian kita menemukan tantangan-tantangan. Nah, itu juga adalah sebuah masalah gitu. Oke, thank you untuk Aldi. Ada lagi satu lagi teman-teman yang mungkin mau share kira-kira masalah itu seperti apa? Atau kalau mau kasih contoh juga boleh. Ada lagi? Oh, siapa silakan? Oh, Daniela?
Oke, boleh Kak. Jadi kalau menurut aku kayaknya tuh kalau masalah itu kalau bisa kita ngerasa ada yang harus dibenerin gitu. Soalnya kadang mungkin orang lain ngerasa itu tuh masalah kita, tapi kita belum ngerasa, kayak belum harus dibenerin deh. Tapi kalau udah bener-bener ngerasa, oh ini sih harus dibenerin, nah itu udah jadi masalah banget sih biasanya.
Oke. Thank you Daniela.
You have to read it in array, in list, in dictionary, and in tuple and so on. But these libraries that you can download and install anytime you want, it will help you to make sense of the data, right? It will help you to work your data a lot easier. It has practical applications and able to process large data sets. So this is why I have not used Excel or Google Sheet in so long, because Excel will basically struggle after several thousand rows, right? After 7,000 rows, it's just going to load and just there's a lot of time wasted. Well, with Python, I can deal with 200 million rows easily. I don't have to wait it to load. So it is easier to work on a large data set with Python. Also, it's flexible, so you can do basically a lot of things in here. You can connect it to different tools. For example, you can connect it to databases. You can connect it to create your own dashboard in Plotly, for example, Plotly being a platform for you to make your own dashboard.
I will have to represent how much now. I think we have also discussed this page. Wait, what about this one? Okay, let's discuss this one here. We have only one question. With the huge number of mobile apps available on app stores, how many apps do you use in a day? How many apps? Both on your laptop and on your phone in a day. Can you guess? Maybe bisa tolong ditebak saja, dikira-kira saja. How many apps do you use in a day? Nisa, what about you? 5? Okay, can you please tell me what are they?
WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Brimo.
Oh, okay. Wait, Brimo?
BRI Mobile Miss.
Oh, yeah. I get it. Okay. I think I've heard that word before, but I forget what it is. Oh yeah, BRI. Okay. So those are the 5s. Is it only on your phone, right, Misa?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. On your laptop?
On your laptop. Today belum buka laptop sih, Miss.
I see. Okay, so that's you then. Oh, 5. I thought it will be like more than 5.
YouTube, Miss.
Oh yeah, YouTube. I see. So 6 then. 6. Okay. Filza.
Yes, Miss.
What about you? How many apps do you use in a day? Gimana kabar kalian? Bla bla bla. Ada plan apa aja? Aku tuh takut kalau nanya itu tuh. Biasanya kan kita ngabisin waktu sampai 15 sampai 20 menit kan. Itu nggak ngebosenin kan, guys? Maksudnya kayak kalian harus nunggu satu persatu sampai ngomong. Nah, itu tuh aku kadang mikir ini yang lain nunggu kelamaan gak ya? But I hope it's okay. I hope it's okay because I want to know all like that. So, okay. Yeah, I guess it's your turn. Well, yeah, thank you. So, okay. Wait, guys, I have a tradition. And I think you know my tradition already because you have seen my story, right? Some of you. So every time I have my last class, I will like have a documentation and I will put it on my story. So now, would you guys like to turn on a camera and then I'm going to take a screenshot and then I will make a story out of it? Yeah, is it okay?
It's okay, Miss.
It's okay, Miss.
Okay. So here, the link for today's survey. Don't forget to fill in. And now, camera, please. Stop this one first. Okay. Let's check first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today we will present our capstone project about Sumatra's waste tracking. Next. First of all, we are from group waste 3, and here are the list of our group members and our mentor. Next. The problem statement. Along with increasing population growth due to rapid urbanization in Sumatra, the waste generated by cities and districts in Sumatra is also increasing. Based on data from SIPSN from 2019 to 2021, the total waste produced by Sumatra is more than 27 million tons, while Sumatra has 9 provinces consisting of 120 districts and 34 cities. And our objective is to give information about waste in 2029 to 2021 to the policymaker in 6 provinces of Sumatra.
Our project goals are: first, reduce amount of waste in Sumatra by 50% in mid-2022. Second, provide a dashboard based on the type and source of waste on 6 provinces in Sumatra. And our success metrics are: by dividing it by province, present an informative dashboard regarding Sumatra's trash condition. Next. And there are 2 potential difficulties. First, choosing the data source. There is a chance that out of the 3 years of data, any observation in any year could have no value, which doesn't comply with the specification for data display. The required data spans the full 3 years from 2019 to 2021 in each province cities. We remove some values with no values in order to handle them. Second, choosing the data location. There are many locations option of the data source to be in our analysis. Because there is limited data on the IPSN website and it's hard to maintain large spatial area, we choose to focus on the 6 provinces of Sumatra as the observation.
And we here at the Tech Use and Impact, the technology stack that we use in this project are the Microsoft Excel as our data store and applied to data visualization on Google Data Studio. We also use Python to get an additional info about the correlation between the waste of each province population that will be shown soon. And the impacts and benefits is as seen on the screen. And now we getting deeper into the dashboard. Dika, can we move to the dashboard? Okay, so first we have 2 parts of the dashboard. The first display data on waste source, including waste data source from household, markets, public facilities, offices, regional, and etc. First, the story that we want to tell is in 6 provinces, every year there is a changing trend in the total waste that exists. It can be seen that Aceh is the only province that has experienced an increase from 2019 to 2021. Then what about the district with the highest source of waste? We can see in the chart on the right, yes, it is the city of Deli Serdang. And we can see the 4 other cities that appear on this graph are the top 5 list. Next. And then household waste turns out to be the highest source. Thus, we display the data as we can see on the left. This chart shows top 5 cities with highest household waste. And the chart on the right shows the total number of waste in Deli Serdang. And we provide an optional data option to be shown. Next. Furthermore, we can find out the proportion of waste source that dominate in each province using a stack chart. This makes it easier because by hovering the cursor, we get information about the percentage of each waste source in each province. For example, which of the 6 provinces has the highest household waste? As you can see that, yes, it is Aceh with 67% of total waste from household, and the graph on the right breaks down based on the cities in Aceh. Next. Then in the second part, with data on type of waste, we focus on the food waste because the data dominate with 39% out of the total waste. And Lampung should be appreciated because food waste can decrease from year to year, which can be used as an example for other provinces in Sumatra's policies. And the last part of the chart, next, Dika. The province of West Sumatra, Jambi, North Sumatra, and Lampung are above the average percentage of food waste in Sumatra, and there are also a couple districts that are above the average. This means they need serious policies to address this. Now we go back to the slide. Okay, so next, here we have the correlation map between waste and population by each year, and the analysis will be on the conclusion.
For action plan or recommendation, applying the 3R principle, reduce, reuse, and recycle in Sumatra, particularly in the province, which include all districts and cities. Running a household waste management program safely is one of the fundamentals of the community-based total sanitation or STBM program. For instance, effective waste management is one strategy to stop the spread of environmental disease like leptospirosis, malaria, diarrhea, dengue fever, etc. Cooperating with local governments, especially the Environmental Service, Health Office, and their staff, as well as periodically providing socialization, technical and management training, consultation, and monitoring of these environmentally friendly programs.